Hello. Today we are going to be cooking some lobsters that we got from the neighbour. This one over here. And I haven't cooked lobster on the barbecue before, so it's be a new one for me. All curled up. So we'll have to crack them in half, put some garlic and some butter, and we're going to cook them in the shells as well. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so this is the cray. So what we'll be doing is cutting it in half. Cutting it in half. Straight down there. Put the Alright, so the time lapse didn't really work too well. Which is a bit unfortunate, but we ended up getting it split in half. So now what we'll do is we'll tip some of that water out still. So obviously I have to get the guts out. So obviously I had to get the guts out. So for some reason the butter was left in the fridge, so it's not the best butter at the moment, to be honest. Such is life. That will cook once it's shriveled up in there anyway. Some salt. Chunk of garlic. Oh well. No vampires are going to be here tonight. Be sure of that. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll take this over. And all we need to do is just literally tuck it on the barbecue, shell side up. So what will happen is obviously the butter and everything will melt through that, hopefully. That up. See how we're going. See how it turns out. This is cooking. Don't want to keep opening it up and then losing all that heat. Anyway, this should be done now. So what I might have to do, I should be able to just flip that over actually, to be honest. It's the raw, not good to have raw food on there, but this should be done, but yeah, definitely should be all done now. So what I'll do is I'll just take it out. Oh. Leftovers. But yeah. Turn this off. Yeah, need a new barbecue too. Crazy. Let's have a look. Flip it over. Oh man, so much garlic too. So hot though. Probably could have cooked it a little bit less, to be honest. But man, that's so good. That butter and the garlic has just it's just come out in one massive piece. Oh, screw it, hey? What do you reckon? Just eat the whole thing? Man. That is amazing. So I think that would have gone down good with a beer. Cheers. Stay tuned for the next one.